Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at Apple, AAPL, on the daily, weekly, monthly time frames. We use technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. If you're not a member at StockBookie.com, please sign up. It's free. And go to YouTube and subscribe. So daily chart of Apple, we had 14 million on the day, so it was okay. It was a half day, so you know what would you expect? But guys, look at this down sideways action below the MAs. Great bearish setup for lower prices. I mean, this thing's about to just start coming in, guys. Maybe it starts falling into earnings and then earnings pops it up, but watch this pattern. If you are long, you have a couple gaps down here to fill, but if you start getting below the 140 area, we will be going to 130 at the 200 MA. Again, just like Google, Netflix and all those, since February has not touched the 200 MA, eventually it will want to come home. 200 MA is home base. You also have a gap window and a gap fill down here. I still believe everything's going back to the November lows right before Trump got in. So November lows are 104, so pencil that in, guys. If you are bullish, bulls, you need to get back above the 20 and the 50 MA and start making a run here. I want to see more volume than this jiggy jack 14 million crap. I want to see it push up through this. I want to see it attack this overhead resistance and go for the 158.23 level on this upper trend line. We get through that, 160, 165, no problem. If this gaps up on earnings, we will be adding more short to this position here, because on the monthly, on the weekly, we are a little bit stretched. But right now, guys, this is setting up for more downside. If you want to get away from this bearish pattern, got to get above these MAs. Not just a quick up and then a quick back down. It's got to do a quick up, confirm, and keep going to the overhead resistance here. So watch for that. Weekly chart. Weekly charts, same pattern, but 4 weeks sideways, guys. Closed below the 20 MA, still in a strong stance above the 50 and the 200, and holding these pivots, gap fills, a little bit of consolidation. This goes for another couple weeks. It's setting up for lower prices. I'm still saying 104 down in here somewhere with the trend line. This will be a great area for a buy, guys. 107.66 is the 200 MA, stuff like that on the weekly. So watch this pattern on the daily and the weekly. Let's see if it continues sideways, possibly setting up for lower prices. Higher prices, this has got to get back above the 20 and fill the gap and keep going up. And overhead resistance as well. So you know, for the bulls, you got to start marching up. For the bears, just sit here, wait, and let's see if this pattern plays out. Monthly chart. Monthly chart, a little bit stretched. 117 is the 20 MA, but here's your target right here, this big trend line. And we're in this channel, guys. Look, hit it, down, up, down, right back into the highs. Let's see if we start slipping and come back down to the 105, 106 area. Still have a lot of support coming in here. Gap window, gap fill, all that good stuff. But markets are looking a little bit weak here, just chopping around. SPY moves up, this can move up. SPY moves down, this will move down. Everything will be an overall market trade with the major indexes, so we'll keep an eye on that stuff. Alright guys, if you like this video, like I said, go to StockBookie.com, sign up for the free membership, and go to YouTube and subscribe. But I really appreciate you guys stopping by, watching my videos. God bless. See you on the charts.